Nuby 4-Stage Oral Care Set with 1 Silicone Finger by Nuby is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. Stage 1, Finger Massager is made of extra soft silicone with 3 different surfaces to allow the parent multiple options for cleaning and soothing new teeth and tender gums. The body is hollow to allow parent to slip the massager onto their finger. Stage 2, the Soft Gum Massager is soft on the baby's gums. The handle is thick and contoured, enabling your child to easily hold the brush. The Soft Gum Massager is for older gums and newly erupted teeth. Stage 3, the massaging brush has a handle that is easy to grip and designed to the ideal size for baby's mouth. The brush massages and helps clean gums and teeth during the teething process and provides effective brushing in all directions. Stage 4, the nylon brush is for babies with teeth. For effective brushing action, the nylon bristles are tufted. To be gentle on the child's gums, the bristles are soft and flexible. To make it easy for the child to brush, the brush is child-sized. 0 months plus BPA-free Nuby's Oral Care Set promotes the early development of good dental hygiene. Featuring soft materials and bristles, it is specifically designed for the transition from teething to chewing.